Hi, this is Joe from WHR Marketing, and today we're going to focus on our AMZScout web app review, which will help you find winning products to sell on Amazon. Okay, so once you enter the web app, you'll come to the product database, and we'll start with categories. Okay, so whatever type of item you're selling, it will have it here for Amazon. So I'm just going to select tools and home improvements, home and kitchen, and office products just for the purpose of this demonstration. What I would recommend is change the price. Okay, so for me, the best products that sell on Amazon are between the price of $15 to $45. Okay, so for me, anything between $20 to $45 is probably better. So I'll leave that there for you. So have a look at those two filters. Then I'm going to go for 4 more filters. Okay, so we've done the categories, we've done the price. What I would do is make sure you select your reviews go up to 350 maximum, okay, because you don't want reviews that go higher than that, because that probably means that product is going to be saturated. If it's already got so many reviews, it means there's lots of sellers or a seller who's doing really well in that niche already, and it's going to be quite hard to compete with them. So you want to go up to 350 reviews maximum. This one here, this is to do with the size of your product. Okay, so for me, I always select standard because it will keep the Amazon fees down, which I'll show you in a minute, and the same for weight. So I go for a maximum of 1 kg. Okay, and then the Amazon rank, we keep it to 2000. So have a look at those settings. So if you use AMZScout to find your winning products on Amazon, look at those settings, because that's what I recommend. For the rest of them, I don't think you need to touch them. So then you'll click find products. In fact, before we go to find products, I want to show you that Amazon fees, which will show you why, if possible, you want to keep to standard and weight up to 1 kg. Okay, so I'll post this link in the description so you can see the fees for yourself. So if you're fulfilling by Amazon, have a look at the prices. So over here you've got the small standard, large standard, and so on. And then you've got the small oversized, medium oversized, large oversized, special oversized. So if you look at the prices here, so in the standard category you're looking at between $1.97 to, at the top, $5.42. okay, but then when you look at oversized items, it could range from $8 all the way to $137 per item to keep in Amazon's warehouse. So you really want to focus on this section here. You want to keep it standard, as small as possible. That will really keep your Amazon fees down. Okay, so if I go back here, once you click find products, okay, I've already done it for today. It will give you a list of the products that fit the criteria that we were looking for. Okay, so you can see all of these items, and then you can then go to your distribution, your suppliers. Lots of people use Alibaba. Obviously, you can use your own suppliers. You'll have your own lists other than Alibaba. So if we go down here, here's all those items that have fit those criteria that we selected. Okay, so we can select any of these items. So let's just have a look here. All right, what is this? So okay, so we've got some mason jars. So let's have a look. So So the price is $21. Where's the weight? The weight is under a pound even, and there's only one seller selling this item. So the next thing you want to do is go to Amazon. So we'll type in something like kitchen mason jar. Okay, so we're going to look for that product now. So this is where you do your research. Okay, so we've used the Amazon web app, the AMZScout web app with the product database, and the next thing you're going to use, okay, which we're going to go into more detail in the next video, is the AMZScout extension pro. So if we look for one of these items, Okay, so we're looking at something like this, $21. So this might have been the one that they were going for. So if we click on this item, then up here, okay, I've already got it loaded. So we've got the AMZScout extension pro. So if we click on this, so it load, it's all the way down here. Okay, this is where the magic happens for your research. Okay, so we want to be looking for scores as close to 10 as possible, and I'll go through all the different criteria. So it's just calculating all those different mason jar type products. Just give it a few seconds. Okay, we can see there's 26 different results for the mason jars on Amazon, so there's not a lot of competition really there. And here's where the magic happens. So this pop-up will come up. So this is scoring an 8 out of 10, which is a very good product to target. So if we look at the good points and bad points of this product, so the profit is high. Okay, so there's a high margin. Okay, you're inside the $15 to $40 range. You know what I said go to $45 for me personally. So it's easier to make profit, especially with the Amazon fees. So you want to keep it more towards that higher range if you can. High profit margins, as we just said. The niche is quite new, so that means whilst the niche is new, okay, there's more chance for you to grow early as one of the first sellers, which is amazing. Okay, and with that you'll have a high chance to make lots of sales. Okay, especially if you're on the first page. So if you imagine the niche being new, that means there's probably not many sellers. Okay, so that means you're likely to go straight to the first page and then be in front of those people's eyes. Okay. The competition is medium. So if we look at all the thumbs up, okay, it doesn't matter about the colors, it's more to do with thumbs up and thumbs down. So as we said, it's an unsaturated niche, so you'll compete with just a few sellers, so you haven't got a wide range of competition in that sense. The listings that they've used with the algorithm on AMZScout has found that they're very low quality. Okay, so in another video I'll show you about quality listings, how to make them. Then you've got very low top brand competition, so none of those famous brands are selling these items. Okay, so you don't have to worry about competing with the big boys. Very few reviews. This is really good, so you can get sales with 0 to 2 reviews. Okay, so it means you don't have to be having 1,000 reviews before you start getting traction and sales. Okay, if you just have if you had 5 to 10 reviews, you would be way up there at the top with regards to this product. Here's some more thumbs up. Even though they're in yellow, it doesn't matter. Okay, so there's few Amazon sellers, so you won't compete with many Amazon sellers, which means there's probably not a lot of fulfilled by Amazon sellers. So for all those Prime users who want their item next day, you'll be one of those sellers who will be able to get this shipped out to them quickly. Then low average rating, another plus point, so you can quite easily make a product with better quality. Okay, so look at those mason jars, look at the reviews, what are people complaining about. So when you go to Alibaba or whatever supplier you're using, okay, make sure the negatives from the products you're finding on Amazon, make sure you are solving them. Okay, so telling your suppliers that we need this type of quality because there's complaints about those items on Amazon. So if you're making your product better than theirs, okay, it's going to sell. Now this is the only downside of this product, which is probably why it's an 8 out of 10, and it says monopolistic niche. Okay, so although we said there's not many sellers, there's just a few. Okay, the 2 or 3 sellers, or however many, it would be very few, okay, are really dominating this niche. Okay, so that's the only downside. But for me, with a product like this, it looks like that downside is minimal compared to what can be made. So if you're making a quality product. You're making the listing better. Okay, so some nice photos as well. SEO friendly description, which you can use our services for. So if I click here, okay, we offer SEO friendly e-commerce product description writing. Okay, so I'll put that in the link so you can check that out. We've helped so many sellers really get to the top pages of Amazon and other e-commerce websites. Okay, so that description's in the link. If I go back, yeah, you can check all the other products. So you can see here there's a 10 out of 10 there. So if I click on this, you can research into that. So home decor, okay, you can read all the plus points there. You'll have a great margin with this product. You'll be able to get decent sales, even with a low review count, and that's important. Again, what you can do is send out some of these items for free to collect those early reviews. Okay, friends and family, even just tell them, can you please leave a review after purchasing this product? Okay, and just a few of those will really put you right up at the top in this niche. Okay, what they found on AMZScout is the listings have low quality. Like I said, I'm going to show you all about that in one of the next videos. And there's big revenue. This is a niche that will be taken off. So for me, AMZScout is really worth it. I'm going to take you through a lot more videos. If you prefer to read blogs rather than watch videos, we've got our AMZScout review. Again, I'll put that in the description so you can check out the review in writing. I can take you all the way down here. Let's get rid of that. Go to my table of contents so you can see the pricing here. Okay, if I go to the pricing, we have got a huge discount for you. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the link below as well. So this will cost $24, okay, rather than you're looking $24 a month, rather than you're looking at $1,000, okay. Huge savings. So you're saving $844. Okay, that link is in the below. It won't cost you anything. So if you want that discount, I would really recommend getting the Amazon Sellers Bundle, okay, rather than just the Pro extension. And I'll take you through all of those different features in the next few videos. Okay, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And the comment I want you to leave today is, what is your favorite Amazon FBA tool? Okay, or what is the highest profit you've made on one of the items on Amazon? Okay, I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.